Now the last will come to the functions of the ozone layer. Now ozone layer, it is being formed in the ozonosphere. Got it? It is being formed in the ozonosphere within the stratosphere, which is being formed. How it is being formed? An oxygen absorbs some energy. It forms nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen reacts with O2 molecule to form O3. Got it? It forms O3. In this way, ozone is being formed in the ozonosphere. We can say that. Fine. Now, what is the function of this ozone layer? As you can see it on the screen, ozone when present in the lower atmosphere is considered as a pollutant and greenhouse gas. Got it? Ozone when it is present in the lower atmosphere. Greenhouse gases are known to contribute to climate change and global warming. Just now we discussed upon it. Now, these radiations, that is the ozone radiations, if it reaches to the us, got it, if it reaches to us, to the earth's atmosphere, if it reaches, it can significantly increase the risk of certain types of cancer, especially the skin cancer, which is called as UV radiations, known as UV radiations causes leukemia, and it causes the breast cancer also, we can say that. Clear? So the ozone layer depletion can also affect what you can say cyanobacteria, which help food crops like rice to utilize atmospheric nitrogen, we can say that. On coming in contact with UV radiations, the blood vessels near the skin surface which carry more blood becomes red and swollen, causing sunburns. Due to ozone reduction, intense UV radiation causes greater evaporation of water through stomata of the leaves and decreases the soil moisture content, we can say that. Clear? So ozone, what you find is that is it decreases soil moisture content. It causes skin cancer. It depletes the what you can say, its depletion causes the effect of the cyanobacteria, which helps food crops like rice to utilize atmospheric nitrogen, got it, which is not good for the growth of the rice, we can say that. So by depletion of the ozone layer, productivity of the ecosystem enormously decreases. Productivity of the ecosystem enormously decreases, by which there occur psychological changes in humans and the animals, we can say that. Clear? Now next is, what is the causes of this ozone layer depletion? The cause of ozone depletion is widespread use of chlorofluorocarbons, we can say that. Clear? Like bromofluorocarbons, halogens, methyl chloroform, methyl bromide, and hydrofluorocarbon. Out of this, chlorofluorocarbon is the most important substance responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. Alright, out of this bromofluoro, methyl chloroform, methyl bromide, chlorofluorocarbon is the most widespread one, and it causes the depletion of the ozone layer, we can say that. Got it? So when CFCs are broken, when chlorofluorocarbon, which is called as CFCs, are broken down, they release free chlorine atoms. A free chlorine atom thus released reacts with an oxygen molecule to form chlorine monoxide, and in this process the oxygen molecule is also released, we can say that. Now chlorine monoxide reacts with ozone to form free chlorine atom along with two oxygen molecules. The free chlorine atom again reacts with ozone and repeats the series of the chemical reactions, which leads to the depletion of the ozone layer. Alright, so you understood how it is happening? Chlorofluorocarbon releases chlorine atoms. These free chlorine atoms reacts with ozone to form chlorine monoxide. In this process releases oxygen. Now chlorine monoxide reacts with ozone to form free chlorine atoms, which again gives two oxygen molecules. Now this free chlorine atom again reacts with ozone and repeats the reaction. So when it reacts with the ozone layer gets depleted, no? It becomes thinner and thinner, and when the ozone layer will become thinner and thinner, when it will get depleted, definitely the ultraviolet rays, the harmful rays, will reach to the earth's surface, and we will be suffering from many diseases, especially the skin cancer. So chlorofluorocarbons are mainly found in industrial solvents and spray aerosols, perfumes, deodorants, insecticides, and they are also used in foam products, refrigerators, air conditioners, and freezers. The use of CFC should be cut. It should be significantly reduced. Got it? It should be reduced significantly. Got it? In Montreal, that is one what you can say, a protocol was being done to reduce the use of CFCs. Alright, reduce the use of CFCs, because CFC, you can see, it is so hazardous, and CFC is reduced from it's being released from perfumes, from aerosols, from deos, the deo which are using, insecticides, refrigerators, air conditioners, freezers. The CFCs are being released into the atmosphere, and it causes the depletion of the ozone layer. Hydrofluorocarbons are nowadays used to substitute CFCs due to the fact that they are less harmful to the ozone layer than CFCs. But hydrofluorocarbons are greenhouse gases that again lead to global warming. Got it? So we can use hydrofluorocarbons, but as you can see, it can lead to global warming. Another cause of ozone depletion is the high concentration of oxides of nitrogen in the atmosphere. We can say that high concentration of nitrogen in the atmosphere, that is another cause of depletion of the ozone layer. We can say that. Clear? So in this way, this is the cause of the ozone layer depletion, and this is all about this particular chapter. Alright, we have discussed everything about this atmospheric pollution or the air pollution, or what is pollution, what are pollutants, and everything we discussed. Thank you very much.